Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix no sound on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix no sound on Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Now click on privacy and security. Scroll down, click on site settings. Again scroll down, expand additional content settings. Again scroll down, you will find an option here, sound. Click on sound and make sure the site can play sound is checked. Click on here and now check whether your favorite site is not allowed to play sound. Here in my case, facebook.com is not allowed to play sound. Now click on three dot icon here and click on remove. Now hopefully your no sound issue has been fixed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.